Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my version of Hawaiian garlic shrimp, so keep on watching.
Please subscribe and click on the bell.
Please check out ivyskitchen.net for my recipes and tag me on social media if you do recreate my dish. Start off by mixing Hawaiian sea salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder with flour. I like using deveined shrimp with the shell still on. Lightly dust your shrimp with the flour mixture. Melt your butter with a little bit of olive oil and add my secret ingredient, which is roasted garlic paste. And you want to combine this all together. Once combined, add your shrimp and you're going to cook it. Once your shrimp is halfway cooked, add that garlic and give that pan a shake. Your shrimp should look like this, shiny and orange. Once you see that, go ahead and flip it over and you know your shrimp is done when you see it curl up. Set your shrimp aside and continue cooking your garlic until your garlic is golden brown. Once it's golden brown, add some lemon, give it a mix. To serve, place your shrimp on a plate with rice and top with the butter and garlic and a squeeze of lemon. And that's how simple it is to make my delicious garlic shrimp. You guys, this garlic shrimp was so delicious. You could taste the sweetness of the garlic, and the shrimp was so juicy and succulent. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.